Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of investment options out there? Do you want to take control of your portfolio but aren't sure where to start? In this video, we're diving into M1 Finance, and specifically, we're going to break down the key differences between their pre-built pies and custom pies. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which option is right for your financial goals. M1 Finance is a powerful investment platform that's all about automation. They use a unique pie structure where each pie is a portfolio of investments, and the slices are the individual stocks or ETFs. This visual approach makes it super easy to understand your asset allocation. The real magic, though, lies in how it automates your investments. Once you set your target percentages, M1 Finance automatically directs new deposits to the slices that are underweight, keeping your portfolio balanced without you lifting a finger. So, let's talk about pre-built pies. These are like a ready-made dinner kit. M1's team of experts has already done the heavy lifting, designing these portfolios to meet specific goals. They have pies for general investing based on your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive, as well as retirement pies that are similar to target date funds, and even pies focused on specific themes like responsible investing or dividend income. The main advantage here is simplicity. You choose a pie that aligns with your financial goals, and you're good to go. It's perfect for the beginner investor or someone who wants a completely hands-off approach. You don't have to research individual stocks or ETFs. M1 handles the selection and even the rebalancing for you. It's a great way to start investing with a diversified, professionally managed portfolio from day one. Now, on the other side, we have custom pies. This is where M1 Finance truly stands out for the DIY investor. Think of this as your personal recipe. You get to choose every single ingredient. You can pick from over 6,000 stocks and ETFs to build a portfolio that is perfectly tailored to your unique investing strategy. You can add, remove, or change the percentage of any slice at any time. The power of a custom pie is in the control and flexibility it gives you. You can create a portfolio that reflects your personal convictions, whether that's a portfolio of only tech stocks or a mix of specific dividend-paying companies and a few low-cost index funds. You're in the driver's seat, and this level of customization is what makes M1 Finance a favorite for many seasoned investors. However, with great power comes great responsibility. You are the one responsible for your own due diligence and for making sure your portfolio is well diversified. In a nutshell, pre-built pies are for convenience and automation. Custom pies are for control and personalization. You can even mix and match, using a pre-built pie as a slice within your own custom pie. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.